Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my own scrunchies at home. I don't have to go to the store to buy them. It's very easy and I hope you try this out. You're gonna need a piece of fabric. I will put all the measurements in my description box. A pair of scissors, a piece of elastic. All the measurements will be down in my description box below, so don't forget. Also, you're gonna need some thread and a needle. I almost forgot the pins, but these are optional, but they really come in handy, so it would be very good if you had them on you. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fold your piece of fabric in half, exactly like I'm gonna do it right now. You want your pattern to be on the inside because we are going to fold it out. And this is where the pins come in handy. The pins keep your fabric from unfolding during your sewing process, and they also help you to sew in a nice straight line. So when you're done with the pins, we're going to start sewing this piece of fabric. I am not a professional, you guys, so don't laugh at my sewing skills, but I try. These are just regular, I think, techniques I'm using, just regular ones. Just sew along the entire top area until you reach the end. So when you're done, it should kind of look like this. And now we are going to carefully fold this inside out. Be very gentle, you guys, with this part because you can rip it apart, and all that sewing that you did will be for nothing, so be very gentle. It should look like this when you're finished. And now for the fun part. I've been waiting for this. Just pull your elastic band through the entire thing so it can actually start to look like a scrunchie. When you're finished, just take your two pieces of elastic and just sew them together, or you can just make a knot. It's way easier and it's very simple and it takes less time. And look at that, it already looks like a beautiful scrunchie. You can just leave it like this, but we're gonna close the whole thing up. And there's your scrunchie. It's a very fun DIY project to do at home. So when you're bored, just make a scrunchie. Now for the bow part, I kind of just eyeball this part. You can use your own measurements. You just have to decide how long you want it to be. I didn't really know how to explain this part to you guys. I'm sorry, but I tried my best to show you guys what I actually did. And that's how you make a bow scrunchie. It's super easy. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.